if you guys have any reflector goggles on, go ahead and lift those up. I want to see your beautiful faces. Please and thank you. So gracious. Love it. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody's seeing me as I am seeing them. Alright, I'm pretty sure in my rules, which just about everybody was here for my morning rules, there's no cheating. There's no aggressive play.
What?
So the fact that I'm getting complaints is making me a little uneasy. There's zero toleration for aggressive play at all. What's up?
What constitutes aggressive play?
What constitutes as aggressive play?
Yeah.
Great question. If you are, let's say, spawn sweeping, if you're sitting trying to get the spawn kills, that counts as aggressive play. If you are sweeping the field, not really caring about anybody that's there, you're just going through, that's aggressive play. If you refuse to use parlay or bang bang, that is aggressive play. If you decide to feather your trigger, that is aggressive play. Any one of those things constitutes as aggressive play. Majority of you guys come every weekend, or at least often enough to know the rules. So I shouldn't have to tell you guys this. I'm giving this speech because it seems like every time, either the field before lunch or right after lunch, I have an issue. I have no problem with just calling the game and you guys taking a timeout for a field for about 30 minutes. I have no problem with that. Okay? I have zero problem with doing that. And I understand not everybody is the bad guy, but if you are not calling yourself out and holding yourself accountable, I have no choice but to make everyone suffer. Now, if everybody is okay with that and clear about no cheating, aggressive play, playing with integrity, playing with honor, as Airsoft should be played, then I think we're good. Am I clear on that?
Yeah, can I get a witness? Can I get a witness?
Yeah, I made a mistake by wearing shorts.
Yeah, that was a mistake. I'm sorry.
God forbid I
Well, guys, all I'm saying is, please, this has been a good, quiet day. Please call your hits.
Dude, I learned all this training from watching this.
Please, if you know yourself as an alpha player, somebody with experience, you need to gladly put yourself over to alpha before I have to pull you myself. If myself or Ephraim or any of the reps have to pull you over to alpha, we might have a problem. Just go over to alpha. You know who you are. You know how you play. Unless if you are with family and friends that don't really know Bravo, and you guys want to play down with them, then you need to play as a Bravo player. You should not be playing like you know what you're doing. You should be out there trying to have fun, not worrying about how many kills you're getting at the end of the day. Is that clear?
Yeah.
All right. So, Bravo, you guys are taking a walk. You guys are going to Fallujah. Alpha, mask down. You guys are checking on right here. You're going to Viper.
We're going to...
Playing with Bravo, you need to be playing with Bravo.
Is there anyone for Alpha at all?
What?
Dude, hold on. Is this really all there is?
Hey, Alpha guys, come here. Come here, guys. This is what's great about Alpha. You guys are a low number, quicker games,
Can you tell
quicker rules. Honestly, guys, so you guys get out there and start playing. Versus like waiting for them, waiting for some cheater kids. This is one good thing about being on Alpha. It's quicker, faster games, more games. Would you guys rather have more games or sit with these guys and babysit? Shut up.
I get more targets.
Yeah, I get more targets.
I get more bodies.
Make sure your skills go up, though.
Yeah,
Make sure your skills go up.
I mean, that would be rewarding people that play
We're trying to
aggressive.
get more people to join us.
Yeah, but
you guys
they don't
have
want
less players, you get more players. You get more games in. I would rather get more games.
I mean, I guess. I'm not an expert here, but I'm pretty sure playing against harder people makes it easier. This one.
Check out. Let's get some
Hey,
games.
Chief, let's go.